Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer order history with ShipBob step by step clearly. To transfer your order history with ShipBob, begin by logging into your ShipBob account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access your order management features. Locate the section labeled Orders on the left-hand side menu. Click on the Orders tab to open the order management interface. From here, select the option for Order History. You will see a list of your past orders. To transfer the order history, look for the Export feature within this section. Click the Export button to initiate the export process. You will typically have options to choose the format of the exported file. Select your preferred file format, such as CSV or Excel. Confirm the date range for the order history you wish to transfer. Once you've made your selections, click on the Download button. Your order history file will begin downloading shortly. Open the downloaded file to ensure all your order information is intact. If everything looks good, you can now upload this file to your desired platform or system. Check your new platform's import instructions for any specific requirements. Follow those instructions to complete the transfer of your order history. If you encounter any issues, refer to ShipBob's support documentation for assistance. You've now successfully transferred your order history with ShipBob. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.